accepting cards on the Web3 platforms. Now, this is a really cool part of the ecosystem of Bybit because you get to actually use this card in the real world. Now, if you're looking for a Web3 project that is really intriguing, but it's also connected to a company like Bybit, which has huge potential to grow, but not only that, is massive already in the Web3 space, then this is it. So let me go into this disclaimer. Not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. Let's see what I've got. Here it is, guys. This is the Bybit Global, all right? Only selected users can enjoy 10% cash back for a limited time, but this is an incredible card. Not only because I'm telling you it's incredible, but because this is going to give you a 10% cash back. That is insane. All right, if you sign up right now, you're going to get that. It's 20 days until this event ends, guys. How do you participate in this? Step one, simply apply for the Bybit card. Okay, it actually is no cost for you. You can enjoy for free charge with no monthly or annual fees. Number two, guys, you're going to make a first deposit of at least $100, and then you're going to earn $10. This reward is only available for users that have not made their first deposit yet. Please note that. Step three, you can pay with your Bybit card and earn 10% cash back up to $600, and it is available to all international card holders, guys. It's an incredible card. If you're new to Bybit, again, you're going to get that $10 straight away. Go out and buy yourself something nice, okay? There's unmatched benefits with this, and I'm going to go into them. Number one, free card issuance and delivery. That means you don't pay anything. It's going to come to your house. You're going to use this card, and you haven't paid a single fee. All right, no annual or monthly fee. So in 6 months' time, they're not going to phone you up and say, hey, you still like this card? You still want to use this? You're going to have to pay this money. That's not what's going to happen here. 10% cashback, like I spoke about, in USDT for the rest of your life. There is no time limit on this, and there's up to 8% APY, guys. How do you participate in this? Simply get your card, like I said at the top. Make sure you deposit. If you first-time deposit, you're going to get that extra USDT. Now, if you want to spread the love and get 20 USDT, simply tell your friends. Let me show you how this works. Hey, do you want to get this card? Yes. Okay, I just got 20 USDT. That's how easy this is, guys. Okay, if you want to do that, go out and share it with your friends, make a video, or just simply text them on WhatsApp and say you need to get this card right now. If you need more information on this, guys, the FAQs are right here. Okay, how can I earn more than $600, for example? You can find out how. Who is eligible to participate? This offer is only available to selected users from international regions, so please make sure with the links down below, do your research that you are available to do this. Rewards and deposits are only available for users who haven't made their first deposit, like I said. Rewards for spending are available to selected international card holders, and there's much more, guys. These terms and conditions I need you to read into. But what I will say is this card is absolutely blowing up on the content space because we can now use this anywhere in the world using our crypto. That is how well the world is adapting to the Web3. And again, this event is going to end October 28, 2024, 6 a.m. UTC, okay, to December 31st, 2024, 11:59 p.m. UTC. So do not miss out. 20 days from now, you're not going to have this chance to get that reward back as well. Guys, at some point, every single person is going to have a card that connects to their crypto account. So what I'm telling you right now is you might as well get rewards for yourself, because once everybody's getting one, there's not going to be crazy rewards like this. Bybit are giving you the opportunity to get free money, cash back for life, and the card that everyone's going to be using anyway. Get it right now. I do encourage you to do that. Hit the link down below to do that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and bell to be notified, and I'll see you next time.